Hey everybody, so this week on the RPG WorldBuilder app video, we are looking at bug fixes to the custom map builder, and so I'm going to get right into it because there's several things to show. So let's do this right now. So we'll go into the overworld, and we are going to, let's switch a tile out. So let's do this plains tile. So you just tap it, and then we can hold, and we're going to change this to a mountain tile. Mountain. And then we'll change the actual tile. We're going to change it to mountains. We'll leave everything else the same for right now. And then we'll just hit save. And if you see on the map, it has changed to a mountain tile. Let's do it to another tile. Let's do it to the sea tile up here. So we just long hold on the tile. We're going to change this to mountain to mountains. Now you can name this whatever you want. I'm just naming them mountains for right now. And then we'll change the tile. And then we will save that. And you see that it has been changed to a mountain tile. So that was a bug that we had in the previous video that has been fixed. And it works the same way when you build a custom map. So let's look at a custom map here. One of these has a map already built into it, I believe. All right, so let's look at, well, let's build a custom map. So we'll go back to the front page here, and we're going to go to create map, and we're going to call it I don't know, lazy map. And we're going to enter a note, and it's I'm lazy, and we're going to make it 3 rows by 3 columns, and it's going to be an overworld map, and we're going to save it. And we're going to go back. We're going to go into the overworld. So that saved the map that we just created, which is a blank map, to the database. Now we can go back into the overworld map that we have, and we're going to use, let's do it on this one here. And we are going to create a note, and this note is going to be called lazy map, just so we know that it refers to the map that we just created. We are going to save that, so we have that down there now. We're going to go back in, we're going to add a link, and we're going to select, our link type to be a map. This is going to link it to the database. If we click on there, you can see some of the maps that we've already made. Lazy map was the map we just made, and we're going to save that. Now, we can go back in, and we have lazy map in our notes. We can long hold on lazy map, and you see we have a 3 by 3 blank map that we can now go in and edit. So let's edit one of these tiles. So we just click, and it's a blank tile, so we want to change this to, I don't know what we're going to change it to. We're going to change it to a jungle. And then we'll also change the tile itself. So we'll change that tile to a jungle tile. And we won't mess with the weather or descriptors right now. All of that stuff works fine, so we're going to hit save. And it has changed to a jungle map tile. Let's do one more. Same thing, and let's change this one to a jungle. Let's change it to Danger River. Yes. All right, Danger River, or Dangerous River. That's okay. And it'll be a jungle river tile. So we just put that in there, and we'll hit save. And there we go. And that's how you go about creating a custom map. And then you could always go back in, you can add notes and do whatever you want to those tiles, adding more maps in there, add dungeons to those, or whatever you want into those tiles. So that's a big part of the custom map creator that we've been working on. The other thing that I want to show this week is this is something new that we're going to feature in the app, and these are random charts that we have. So right now we just have this random chart in here. It has 10 different variables. These are natural disasters, and when you hit roll, it says the event is a flood, and it says the description is flood waters roar toward the PCs. This is a landslide. A landslide blocks the PC's path. Let's see what else. A pack of wild beasts encircle the PCs. Let's look at the other chart. Supernatural event. So an army of the dead salute each other and lumber toward the PCs. Creepy cult members in cheap suits bearing propaganda approach the PCs. So when the app releases, we're going to have a bunch of pre-made random charts that go along with this. And these are going to be pretty gonzo. Some of them would be fairly normal, like weather and some basic encounters, just general universal encounters. And then some of them are going to be kind of strange. Another option or another feature that we're going to have in this is the ability for the users to build their own custom charts and to implement that. So you can create all your own custom charts, random generators, and build it and add them to the database of your app once you get the RPG WorldBuilder app, which allows you to basically create any type of chart that you want with random numbers of variables. We're going to have it to where you can do up to 20, so it'd be like rolling a d20, and then you can have those with you at all times, and then you would be able to choose which chart or which list you wanted from a list of all your charts or all your tables that you're rolling on for whatever random event or action or encounter that you want. So that's the update for this week. It's a big update. There's a lot of stuff going on. We're hoping that we're going to have the app out by mid-summer, and that's it for right now. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the RPGWorldBuilder.com. Sign up on our landing page if you're interested in this app. And check out our Facebook page. It's RPG WorldBuilder. And we really want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. All right, bye.